Vida Day 11, and today is all about baby pictures. Now, why haven't we done this one before? Because, damn it, I'm a cute baby. I'm a cute adult, but I was a cute baby too. So here's some lovely photos of me as a cute baby. Number 1, there's me with my brother and sister. I'm the cute one at the front, not the bear, the, happy smiling child. The second one goes to show pretty much I've always been a bit of a hipster. I mean, check out that dress sense. That's pretty fucking spot on. Next one, you see the token wear your sports team's kit in front of a window and a few plants. And finally, for some reason, the only photograph in this set where I appear to be dressed as a sailor. And back to me now. What a treat that was for you guys. Honestly, I am looking forward to seeing your baby photos today. So don't disappoint me. I'm hoping I can have a damn good laugh at how beautiful you all are, obviously. Love your faces. See you tomorrow.